So this is the Xtra long scale Big Six tuned in E. This is the prototype, and this I played this instrument on a record with Jubu Smith and Calvin Napper. It's just called Jubu. If you want to hear this tuned in E, it's this instrument. So it's just E, A, D, A, D, G. And I think it's 36, 26, 17. And I don't know what these bass strings are. They're very heavy flat wound bass strings. But anyway, as far as this being an E, this is the 31 on this low string to here. Now, I played this in E, like I said, on a Jubu record, a few other things. But you know what I find, this is our instrument that really does E, if you want to do E. Now, I do F in my daily life. Maybe I'll go back to E at some point. I don't know. But with E, you know, what you start to notice is it becomes a little more of a in between a short scale bass and a medium scale bass, essentially, on that low end. These, you know, those strings sound really fat and warm when they're tuned down a half step. But you do have to change your touch a little bit when you're in E, because you can't hit it as hard as you hit it in when you're in F, where you have that much more tension. You have to think about it more as you know you would a short scale bass. It's just a matter of dealing with the touch. So instead of, I think my touch and I would play a little more up here. If I was playing an F, it's something like just a I'd probably play it with that touch, but with this I would move my hand back a little bit and play with a little lighter touch. Pretty dope. E.